Welcome to English with Miss Julia. This lesson is aimed at young learners and it is a story. The title of our story is The Adventure of Teddy the Brave Bear. I encourage you to pause the video regularly, point to different items, identify the vocabulary, and practice the pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. Once upon a time, a fluffy teddy bear named Teddy sat in a cozy little toy store. Children passed by the store every day, peeking at the toys through the glass windows. Teddy sat patiently, hoping that one day someone would choose him to be their special friend. Then one afternoon, a little girl named Emma walked into the store with her dad. She wandered down the aisles, looking at all the toys, but when her eyes met Teddy's, her face lit up with a big smile. "Daddy, this is the one!" Emma said excitedly, hugging Teddy close. From that moment, Teddy knew he had found his forever home. He was so excited to join Emma on all the adventures she had in store. The very next day, Emma took Teddy on his first adventure. They went to the park, where Emma loved to play on the swings and build sandcastles. Teddy sat proudly beside Emma as she dug into the sandbox, creating a tall, sandy tower. "We're building a castle, Teddy," Emma said, "and you are the king." Teddy was thrilled to be the king of the castle, and together they pretended that they ruled a kingdom full of magical creatures and friendly dragons. But as the day came to an end, dark clouds started to roll in. It was time to head home before the rain arrived. The next day it rained. Big, fat raindrops splattered against the window, and Emma couldn't go outside to play. But Teddy and Emma didn't mind. Instead, they built a cozy blanket fort in the living room, pretending it was a secret hideout. Inside their fort, Emma and Teddy played with other toys, pretending they were all part of a grand adventure. Teddy was the brave leader who guided Emma and her toys through a jungle full of wild animals. Together, they laughed and giggled, safe in their imaginary world. The rain may have poured outside, but inside, Emma and Teddy had a day full of fun and laughter. One sunny afternoon, Emma and her family went on a picnic. picnic. They spread a blanket on the grass, played games, and enjoyed yummy sandwiches. But as they packed up to leave, Teddy got left behind under the tree. When Emma realized that Teddy was missing, she was heartbroken. Tears filled her eyes as she searched the house, but Teddy wasn't there. "Don't worry," her mom said. "We'll go back and find him." They rushed back to the park, and under the big oak tree there was Teddy, safe and sound. Emma hugged Teddy tightly, whispering, "I'll never leave you behind again." From that day forward, Teddy went with Emma everywhere, always by her side, ready for any adventure. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button. Also consider subscribing to our channel. This way we may reach people from all over the world to support their growth in the English language. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.